Okay, this video is talking about operations with polynomials, and I'm still talking about adding polynomials, and I want to look at a problem where maybe we want to add two different polynomials, but we're missing some like terms. So I'll show you what I mean. So in this case, we want to determine the sum between 4x cubed minus 2x plus 5 and 3x squared plus 7x plus 1. Now, this first polynomial, that's a degree 3 polynomial. The highest power is x cubed. And the second polynomial is degree 2. The highest power is x squared. So you can see we have some terms missing here. There's no x cubed in the second polynomial, and there's no x squared in the first polynomial. So how do we add these? Well, you can use either the vertical or the horizontal method. I'll show the vertical here, so I'll write the first polynomial out. And what I'll do is I'll write 4x cubed, and then there is no x squared term, so I'm going to put plus 0x squared. I'm going to use that as a placeholder to just put it there so that when I put the second polynomial underneath it, I have some space left over to put the x squared term. Okay, then I have minus 2x and then plus 5. Okay, now the second polynomial, again, I'm going to line up the like terms. So the first term I have here is a 3x squared. That's where I'm going to put this underneath the x squared. And then I have a 7x plus 7x, and then plus 1. And I'm adding, so I'm going to add them up. And you see now how all the like terms are lined up, and I left space for all the terms that I had in the problem. Okay, so 4x cubed plus, there's really 0x cubed here, so that just stays 4x cubed. Then 0 plus 3 is 3, so that's plus 3x squared. Negative 2 plus 7 is positive 5x. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So there's my final answer. Now, I could also get this answer by using the horizontal method, or if you're getting better at working with polynomials, you might be able to look at them and say, okay, well, let's look for the highest power first. Highest power is x cubed. I only have one of them, so I'll just write down 4x cubed. Next, we'll look for the next highest power. That would be x squared. Let's see, there's no x squared there. There's the only one, so that's plus 3x squared. And then look for the next highest power, that's just x. Well, I have negative 2x over here and then a 7x over here. If I add negative 2 and 7, I get positive 5, so it's positive 5x. And then finally, you look for the constant terms. There's a 5 and there's a 1, plus 6.